What's going on, Whomp crew? It's a good day, man. Good day. We're about to get out here and meet the homie Noy, man. We're gonna go to the river, go to his spot he invited us to, and take the homie J Scat, the homie Richie, and the homie Raph with us. So I think Tina gonna meet us out there too. So it's gonna be quite a party, man. We're gonna go out to the Sacramento River and chill, see if we can catch some stripers, see what else is out there, man. I've never been to this spot. He said it goes down, man. He said it goes down, man. So we're gonna have to check it out. So with that being said, stay tuned, man. We're gonna see if we can catch us a keeper. See if we can catch us a keeper, striper, or something out there. That being said, stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We have some good videos. We always go fishing with whoever subscribes, whoever hits me up saying we want to go fishing, we can go. Just hit me up. Let's get it, man. See y'all in a minute. Peace. Mom. Out here getting our Whomp on with the homie Noy. See Tina and his wife. Yay! He might be on. He might be on, y'all. It looks like he's on, y'all.
With Credit Karma, I can also see which different factors impact my credit scores, so I can make better decisions about what changes I might need to make.
Oh! Good old tree monster. My pole over here acting crazy too, y'all. Know what's going on. But we'll see y'all in a minute. We're gonna see if we can hook on something, man. Got a lot of poles out here waiting for J Scat. We're gonna see what's going on. See y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Hey, the homie Noy on with the striper. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I got you.
Yes, sir. First one of the day, getting our Whomp on out here of the homie Noy spot, man. Secret spot. Yeah, y'all would never know about this spot because I would never tell. For real. And we only coming out here when Noy come out here. Yeah. Whomp. Get our Whomp on, man. We gonna get him back out there. Still got his bait going. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. Another hit.
Watch out, Nye.
Yes, sir. We out here. We'll see if we can hook up on something, y'all. We'll be back in a second, y'all. Peace. The homie's on again. He's on fire over here. The homie Noy on fire. Hitting left and right out here. Hey, this is honey hole. I expect nothing less.
Saving the fang.
Yeah.
Making a fuck.
Yeah. I got you all on camera too. Whomp. Whomping them out here, man. Light work.
Hey, we ain't got no shit to burn.
Out here chilling, Noy starting a fire one time while getting bites in the background. Yeah. Oh, he got the blood worms over there going crazy. You got the homie Raph and Richie out here. J Scat, he over there. Y'all see him or not, don't care. Oh, no. Come on, he can't be getting a bite. Not while we recording. Oh, Noy getting a bite. Oh, another bite.
Burn. We can start burning the bigger one.
Hey, those Doritos are lighting up. Yeah, they lighting up.
Lighting up Doritos, catching fish, doing it big. See y'all in a minute, man. Peace. This gotta go on the page, man. The guy Raph came out here, got his striper. Let's go.
Put the shaker on the line. Let's catch it with that one.
Let's go.
Nothing out yet.
Nice one, man. Nice one. Yep, lip him. Yes, sir. He's on. Alley-oop. Let's get him back out there, man. Let's go. Huh? Nah, it's all good. That's your pole going off, J Scat? Uh-oh. We're gonna see y'all in a minute. Let's see if J Scat can get on something, man. Let's go. Hey, J Scat on. Get that skunk off. Catfish? Is that a catty?
The cats come out at night.
Yeah, okay. J Scat got his first little river cat.
Hey, we chopping that motherfucker up.
River cat.
Oh shit, look at my shit.
Somebody catch their chance.
Record it, record it.
No.
Oh god. No.
Pants. Get my pants. Get my pants. That's my size. Don't play
I
with me.
have a
I
hook.
fit those.
Oh, I have a hook.
Oh, you got a whole ass of bitch. Get the jeans.
Oh, they smacking.
Get my dress. That's my dress. I
Oh.
thought it was jeans. No, he caught all the one pictures. I hate base snatching. Look at what base snatching does. Let me record this shit. Hold on, let me record this.
It's all good, y'all.
Right here. There you go.
Base
That's yours?
snatching.
Damn.
Jacket. Noise.
I almost sliced my hand. It was a 50-pound test. I would slice my finger up.
Well, no.
See, that's why I use 65 or 80.
From Richmond. Damn.
That's a circle.
We got the base.
Oh, let me see. Hold it. Hold it. Hold
There's
it.
me.
Hold it.
We got the base smacking in the building.
What a hater, man.
Wait.
Sit here, wait for you to fuck up just so she can
Hold on.
celebrate it.
You're tackling us all up.
Oh, shit. What is it?
You got fucking headlamp.
Oh, there you go. It's under. There you go.
You got hooked on your headlamp. That's official party.
Just rip it. You try to pull it out toughly.
That's some base smacking shit.
Let me just get your line off real quick.
Oh, he got 15 surgeons and I ain't got one.
Yeah.
Aaron, you got me.
She already cut my style and shit. She got one of her line though.
Hell yeah.
I rigged it though, my rig.
And you casted it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, there it go.
Still on there though.
Easy release.
Worm's still good to go.
Yep. See Tina with the Whomp. Yes, sir. We out here. Secret spot. You'll never know. You'll never fucking know.
Smack spot.
Yeah. Bay smacking spot, man.
Right there to nobody, man.
Yeah.
I told Aaron because he brought the whole worm crew. I was like, hey.
Like, damn, motherfucker.
Hope I catch some, man.
Oh, yeah, it's finna go down. We'll see y'all in a minute, man. We finna get on something. Peace. Homie Richie finally got on. All right. Yes, sir. Got him one. Everybody caught one tonight.
That's some.
Cover his eyes. He start tripping. Yeah, yes, sir.
No skunk for me.
No skunk for anybody. Let's go.
Kiss and toss him. Kiss and toss him, huh?
Get out of here, dude.
Oh, he coming back.
He wants that kiss, Rich.
It's like, why you toss me?
Give him some tongue this time.
Yes,
Hey, is that a big one or what? No, I was a little dude.
sir. Everybody got one tonight. Successful mission.
Oh shit, is that?
Whomp fishing.
Oh.
All right, y'all. That does it. Well, if anybody else catches the fish, that doesn't do it. But for the most part, everybody got on. Everybody had a good night. See y'all later, man. Peace. This motherfucker right here. All right, man. All right. As you guys saw, it was a successful night. Everybody caught a fish. Everybody got one. Everybody caught a fish, and that's what it's all about. Everybody left home happy. Mostly happy. For those who was there, you know what I'm talking about. Everybody left home mostly happy. So, yeah, man. The channel's doing good, you guys. I'm trying to get out there, man. Please help me by liking, commenting, and subscribing. It's real easy. It don't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button, man. We have fun. We like to meet people. So come out there with us and have some fun. The homie Noy, Team Bay Smaccin. Like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out his YouTube, man. It's Great stuff. The homie J Scat. Go check out his YouTube, J_Scat. Please, God, help us out, man. Just a little bit. It doesn't cost anything. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, man. Peace. Whomp.